Have you ever traveled on an airplane? Today, you will learn easy English conversation for airport and airplane travel.
Hurry up, everyone! We are getting late for the airport. Don't worry. I already booked the taxi.
Dad, are we really going on an airplane today?
Yes.
Yes.
Today is your first airplane trip.
I am so excited. I want to sit near the window.
Don't forget your bags and passports.
Welcome. May I see your tickets and passports, please?
Sure. Here they are.
Hi, thanks.
Please go to Gate 5. Boarding starts in 30 minutes.
Dad, are those our airplanes?
No, son.
Those are cargo planes. Ours is over there.
It means getting on the airplane.
Welcome aboard, Amida. Please make your way down the aisle.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, where is seat 12A?
12 is the map.
It is near the window, on the left side.
Yay! I got the window seat.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the flight. Please fasten your seat belts. It's okay, sweetie. Everything is gonna be just fine. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. Would you like some juice or water?
I can act.
Yes, please.
2 juices and 2 waters.
Wow. The clouds look beautiful from here.
We will land in 20 minutes. Thank you for flying with us.
Children, did you enjoy the flight?
I'm a cat. Yes! It was amazing! It was amazing!
Great! Let's go and enjoy our trip.